Hello everyone, and welcome to NitroLearn. So before we start coding, we need to set up. So we're going to go to anaconda.com, and Anaconda provides us with an IDE called Jupyter, which we code on. So what is an IDE? An IDE is an integrated development environment. It gives us a place to code, and it allows us to save everything on our computer. So we're on Anaconda. I will put the link for this down in the description. And now we're going to scroll down. And if your software is Windows, click this. If your software is Macintosh, click this. If you're on Linux, click this. 3.7 is a newer version of Python, and that is the version of Python that we are going to be using in this course. So downloading Anaconda takes a bit of time, but after you're done, you're going to go to Anaconda Navigator, and you're going to click that. So now Anaconda Navigator is open, so we're going to go inside. And we see that there are several applications here, and we're going to use this one. It's called Jupyter. So on your computer, it will say install, but on my computer, it says launch. So on your computer, you will press install, and then I'll press launch. And then after you install it, launch it. So then now, you're going to go here and say that you want to create a new folder. Then you find the new folder, you click it, and then inside the folder, you create a new Python 3 notebook. And now you can start coding. Thank you for coming to this video, and I hope you enjoyed.